Yeah, if x is equal to a into theta plus sine theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, then show that dy by dx is equal to this tan of theta by 2. See, they have given x is equal to, they have given y is equal to. Using these two, we have to find dy by dx, and that dy by dx should be equal to this. Dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x, like that. First, I will take this first one. X is equal to a into theta plus sine theta. First, we will differentiate this with respect to theta, because see, before the equal sign x is there, after the equal sign, so variable is theta. Variable means that changes its value with respect to time. So x is a variable, theta is a variable, a is a constant. Okay, this a usually represents the constant. Okay, now after equal sign, the variable is theta. See, this is dependent variable, theta is independent variable. Independent means it changes its value on its own, but value of x depends on theta. As theta changes, x value changes. So theta is the independent, x is the dependent variable. So we will differentiate dependent variable x with respect to theta. So take d by d theta on both sides. So d by d theta of this x is equal to d by d theta of this entire thing. So a into theta plus sine theta. Okay. Next step is equal to, see, a is the constant, you can take this outside. So a, next this d by d theta of this theta plus sine theta. Sine theta. Next step, so see, remember, before equal sign this is there, dx by d theta. Next step, write this dx by d theta is equal to, a is constant, write it as it is. Next, see here, since plus is there, you can take this d by d theta for this theta separately, then for this sine theta separately. First d by d theta. So see, this constant is applicable for this both. See, both theta plus sine theta is inside the bracket, outside the bracket a is there. So after a you have to put bracket. Okay, so d by d theta of theta. D by d theta of theta. Next plus again d by d theta for this done. Next d by d theta. D by d theta of this sine theta. Sine theta. Next to write constant a, bracket. So d theta same, so will cancel, so we'll get 1 will be there. Next plus differentiate, next to d by d theta of sine theta. So that is a formula is there. Differentiation of sine theta will be cos theta. So d by d theta of sine theta is cos theta. That is the formula you have to remember. So dx by d theta, we got this. Okay. Next, I will take this. Before that, I will just erase this. So if you want to see the previous content, just move the video backward. Next, take this. So y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now as we, so this is dependent variable, theta is independent variable. So we will differentiate this dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Take d by d theta on both sides. So d by d theta of this y is equal to d by d theta of this entire thing. So a into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, you have to put bracket d by d theta of this thing like that. Next step, so a is constant, take outside. So a d by d theta of a is taken already. So what is left? 1 minus cos theta. So next step, a asterisk. So now minus sign is there, so you can take d by d theta for this one separately and for this cos theta separately. So before that, since constant a is outside of this, so you have to put bracket. Now so d by d theta, you write d by d theta of this one, next minus, next d by d theta minus this minus I put here, d by d theta of this one cos theta. Okay, next I will write here. So this is dy by d theta, dy by d theta. So dy by d theta I will write here, dy by d theta is equal to, see, write a as a is a constant. Next see here, d by d theta of 1 is there, so 1 is a constant, it's a number, so differentiation of a constant is 0, so this entire thing will become 0. So I will write first bracket is important. So if you miss the bracket, answer will become wrong. Okay, so be careful about the brackets also important. So this bracket, so this became 0, here minus is there, minus. Next see d by d theta of cos theta, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus sin theta. See here minus is there, two signs are there, so when there are two signs we should not write like this, you have to put bracket. Okay, so next to a write asterisk. 0 means nothing, so don't write it, no problem. 0 means there is nothing, nil. So forget about the 0, if you don't write 0 also no problem. Next bracket means it's like into multiplication now, so multiply the signs, minus into minus, so it is plus. Sin theta you write asterisk. Okay, yeah, just a minute. I think some mistake somewhere here. No, you're just a mistake. Just wait. Okay. You write this a as it is. 0 you forgot, don't write anything. Minus into minus plus sin theta. See here, what is the mistake, you know? So like this only you will do mistake. If you do small mistake, everything will go wrong in the exam. You will get final answer as wrong. What was the mistake here? Just simple. I forgot to add this bracket. This bracket I missed. Without writing this bracket and this bracket, minus into minus plus sin theta I wrote. When I wrote minus plus sin theta, then it became a plus sin theta. Actually that is not wrong. So if I missed this bracket, I got different answer. So write this bracket, then plus sin theta. Next, in the next step, a write as it is. Okay, no bracket. No plus sin theta. Plus sin theta I will write just sin theta. Okay. Here nothing is there means plus is there. Plus sin theta both are same. Now what happens? This bracket is like multiplication into, so a into sin theta, a sin theta. Okay. So dy by d theta is a sin theta. So we got dx by d theta is equal to this, dy by d theta is equal to this. But what is the question? We have to show that dy by dx is equal to this. So to show this, first we have to find this dy by dx. So but we got dy by d theta. Here theta is there, but here x is there. So this is different. How to find this? I will solve remaining part on the back side of the board. See, first I'll write dx by d theta and I will divide this by dy by d theta. So what we will get? Okay. See, in this is numerator denominator. This is numerator denominator. So this and this denominators. See, denominators. Okay. No, I will write in another way. No, I have written dx by d theta first, right? Now, first I will write this. First write dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. See, numerator denominator, here numerator denominator. So this and this are the denominators. See, denominators are same. This is also d theta, this is also d theta. So denominators are same, we can cancel, and what is left? Dy by this dx. Okay. So now, so because of this, so if you write like this and if you simplify, if you cancel d theta, we will get dy by dx. This is equal to dy by dx. So that's why I will write like this. dy by dx. See, this is equal to this or this is equal to this. Both are same because equal sign is there. So dy by dx I will first write is equal to this one. I will write dy by d theta. I will write. Whole by next this I will write dx by d theta. Okay. So dy by dx can be written like this. So next step, dy by d theta. We already calculated in the previous board, in the back side of the board. What is, we got dy by theta is equal to a sin theta. In the back side of the board we have already solved it. So dy by d theta we got this a sin theta, and dx by d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta. So see, we calculated dx by d theta in the back side of the board. We got this. Okay, I will show once again if you want. See, dy by theta is equal to this, dx by d theta is this. So this and this I have written here back side. Okay, so now see, a cancels out. What is left? This dy by dx I will write once again. Is equal to sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Now what I will do, we will use the formula. See, there is half angle formula, half angle formula for sin theta. I will write here. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is the formula. Next there is half angle formula for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. So these two are the half angle formulas. Half angle means theta by 2 will be there. When there is theta by 2, that is half angle. Theta by 2 or half of theta, both are same. Next step what I will do, I will write here only. Okay, any previous content if you want to see, please move the video backward. Okay, now dy by dx I will write here is equal to sin theta. So this formula we have to write. Sin theta is what? Sin theta is equal to this. So in place of sin theta I am going to write this. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Next to this whole divided by 1 plus. So in place of cos theta I will write this, because cos theta is equal to this. So this I am going to write. So 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Next step I will write here. Write this entire thing first. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole divided by, now see 1 is there. If nothing is there means plus is there. Plus 1 minus 1. So they will cancel out. Plus 1 minus cancels out. So what is here? Plus 2 cos square theta by 2. I will just write 2 cos square theta by 2. So here nothing is there means plus is there. Okay. So plus 2 cos square theta by 2, just 2 cos square theta by 2, both are same, no wrong. Next to see 2 cancels out. Okay. In the next step, dy by dx you write sin theta by 2, okay, cos theta by 2, this one whole divided by, see cos square theta by 2 can be written as cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. Now see, here also cos theta by 2, here also cos theta by 2. So both are same, I will cancel out. So what is left? First write dy by dx is equal to, so what is left? Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Now see, this is equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is nothing but tan theta by 2. Okay. So what we got? Dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. So this is the answer. What was the question? See, show that dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. We got the answer. Dy by dx should be tan theta by 2. Yeah. So we got it. Dy by dx is equal to tan of theta by 2. So this is the answer. So according to the question, we have showed it, we have proved it. So that's all. Problem is solved. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.